Hi, I'm Anupa. Apple pie is actually quite intimidating, isn't it? But I'm going to show you an easy way of making an apple pie at home. So let's get started. So for the filling, I'm using green apples. Why? Because they are sweet and sour and we're going to use them with the peel on. Just slice them. In the meanwhile, switch on the gas and all the apple that we've chopped goes into this pan. And now to the apple, let's add some sugar. We've got castor sugar. And now on top of the sugar, let's add a little bit of cinnamon powder. Now we let this cook in the pan till the apples turn soft. Well, the apples have cooked, but the moisture is still there in the pan. Now what do you do in such a case? I've got some biscuit crumbs. So what happens is that it absorbs the excess moisture, and now mix this. Let's put this onto a plate and we'll let this cool. First, let's take some flour. So we've got some refined flour. So we've got butter here. Well, we need to now add in some powdered sugar to the dough because it's a dessert and the paste and the short crust has to be sweet. Add a little bit of milk, cold milk preferably. So I've got some refined flour. So dust your tabletop. We'll take half of this. Now get this together. Since the dough is quite flaky and crumbly, you will not have a very smooth round edge. And now place the dough back over it. Now what do? Just take the dough, put it in, take your rolling pin once again. Press the base so that it sticks well. And now to this, let's add in the apple filling. Some more of the short crust and place it here so that there are no air pockets. Take your rolling pin once again and roll it over the edges. So I've got some cookie cutters here. So with the remaining dough that we have, let's cut out some dough. So now what do? We'll take a little bit of milk. Need to apply some milk on one side. Shapes that we have cut, we'll need to arrange them. So I've got a brush and a little bit of milk and brush the entire pie with some milk, and let's put this in the oven. Well, a lot of people I know like to have apple pie warm along with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Well, for me, it's no ice cream, just the pie. I like to have a big chunk of my apple pie as it is warm, and I suggest you also have it that way.